Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a plan that fits your needs. More players need more RAM and CPU. Once done, register and verify your account, then add a payment method so provisioning is instant. Next, choose the Minecraft version and server type, vanilla, paper, or a mod pack, plus the closest region for lower ping. These first steps ensure a stable baseline because hardware choices and region directly affect lag and player experience. Now you configure the server from the Apex control panel, open File Manager, or connect via SFTP with the provided credentials to upload world or modpack files. Make sure to install plugins in the correct folder and then edit server. Properties to set game rules, difficulty, and port. Allocate RAM and set Java start arguments for performance. Also enable automatic backups and scheduling. Doing this prevents common performance issues and preserves your world if something goes wrong. Finally, start the server and watch the console for errors. Missing libraries, plugin exceptions, or port binding issues reveal immediate fixes. Once it shows done, join using the server IP and port, then verify plugins, commands, and world integrity. If players experience lag or crashes, inspect logs first, then tweak JVM RAM and garbage collector flags, remove recently added mods, or restore the latest backup. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the error locally to isolate mod versus config problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.